Now here is an interesting one. Take a moment to study this waveform. It looks almost normal at first, until you notice the plateau has two separate humps, almost like a camel's back. That double peak is the key to identifying an endobronchial intubation, usually a right mainstem intubation. Here's what causes it. When the endotracheal tube slides too deep, one lung, typically the right, gets the majority of airflow, while the other lung receives only partial, delayed ventilation. During exhalation, the well-ventilated lung empties first, creating the first plateau. A moment later, the underventilated lung finally releases its CO2, creating that second, smaller rise. The result is this distinctive two-peaked waveform. If the tube is fully in the right mainstem and the left lung isn't ventilated at all, this pattern may disappear entirely, and the waveform may look deceptively normal. That's why you must pair capnography with clinical assessment. Early on, look for asymmetric chest rise, unilateral breath sounds, or increased resistance when bagging. The fix is straightforward. Gradually withdraw the tube while listening for the return of bilateral breath sounds. As both lungs resume synchronous emptying, this camel hump waveform will smooth back into a normal plateau. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. And if you want the full masterclass, along with tons of other high-yield medical education, visit academy.emergeprep.org. And I'll see you in the next lesson.